Good afternoon. Welcome to the channel. My name's Don, and this is King Collector and Builds. And today's a little bit different. Today we're going to talk about the channel and do some actually talking about some collecting. This is the 20th video, and I never would have thought that we would have made it this far. It just started out as a hobby and something to do, but I really enjoy doing it and want to continue to do it. I really need your guys' help. I have a lot of projects in the works and a lot of ideas, but I need your feedback. If you can comment below and let me know what you think of the videos, criticisms, compliments, whatever, would be appreciated. And any ideas, if you something you think you want to see me build or have some great ideas, please feel free to drop them in the comments, and maybe we'll do something. And if I use your idea, I'll definitely give you a shout out on the channel. So today I'm going to do some of the collecting part of the videos, and I'm going to try and do this at least once a month. I collect several different things, mostly comic books and die-cast, all Jeeps. So today we're going to look at some comic books that I've just recently received in the mail and see what you guys think. Let's start off with the first one here is, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. Is House of Mystery, number 313, and this is from DC Comics from 1983, and it is a newsstand edition. Next we have Purple Claw, number 3 from Toby Press, and this is from 1953. This is considered a golden age book. And we have a lower grade. It's a 1.8. It's Plastic Man number 16, and this is from 1949, and it's a Jack Cole cover and art. Plastic Man. And we have a couple of EC comics. These are getting very hard to get. People really like the EC. This is Two-Fisted Tales number 41 from 1955. Kind of a neat old book. ECs are definitely hard to get now. Here's another EC. This is a restored copy. It has color touch on the cover, and the cover was glued to the first wrap, glue on spine of cover. Sometimes the restored books are well within the price range if you want to get something really cool. This is Weird Science from 1953. Again, it's an EC book. Kind of a cool cover. And another one that I collect is I'm trying to get all the old Looney Tunes and Merry Medley comics, the first 150 books. This is the beginning of Bugs Bunny and all those characters. This is from Dell Comics, 1952, and it's number 132. And the last one I have is my first Pedigree comic. This is from Dell Publishing, four color number 443 from 1953, and it's actually a 9.0, which is very good for this year. Very nice. So we have kind of a short video. Again, give me a comment below and let me know how you think the channel's doing. If there's anything you want to see more of the collecting and less building, or you don't like the collecting, let me know. Your feedback is very important. And if we keep going on the channel, which I really want to, I've got a lot of things planned. When we get to 100 subscribers, I'm planning on doing a giveaway. One of the builds we've made over the last 20 videos, going to be given away. And then at the year, if we make it a year, we'll do another giveaway. So let's just say every 100 subscribers we get, we'll do a giveaway. Right now I'm at 45, which, you know, isn't a lot. I know there's big channels out there that have several, but we're just starting out. So give me a comment. It really helps the channel, and I really appreciate everybody watching these videos. It's fun to make, and the feedback I get from people I know that's watching them, they really enjoy it. So if you really enjoy it too, please, I can't say it enough, please give me a comment and let me know how things are going. And we'll see you next Friday. Thanks.